In previous video, I have performed the CRUD operation for book, but I have to make some changes in our model. I have to make author is not required. So, but is author is required. So I have to again change to this. And to avoid this situation, I have to use the DTO to create one more project called add new project class library. Next, my app dot DTO. Now add book DTO, add new class called book DTO. Click record create book DTO. Then assign all the fields that are required for book. This, for example, required book title, book description, then book author. Make it also required that copy this line. And, similarly for book author, one more field for both. Okay, the both field, two fields are required. Now I have to change our controller. Now instead of using model, now I am going to use the DTO. It's not a good idea to expose our model to the controller. So I have to change. First, I have to change the author services. Sorry, book services. Then use create book services. Then I have to change it. Go to definition. Create book DTO. Then change it to book. Use the DTO. Now implement this. Here change to, but as you can see, our repository required the book, not DTO. So I have to change also as author ID is equals to book DTO dot author ID. Then book description is equals to DTO dot book description. Book title is equals to DTO dot book title. Okay. Now to make again build it. Then again I have also changed the signature for get also public or book video. So in that int id, then print book title, comma book description. Now also change the book return type for create book function Go to book repository, go to definition, change here. But now go to implementation. As you can see, it again gives the error. This is a get book. Now return book DTO book dot ID comma book dot title book dot book description. Now build this fail here. Change it to book DTO. Replace book DTO. That's working fine. Now test again. ASP dot code. Yes. Now try again. As you can see, book is created and it written the book ID, book title, book description, and I don't require to change in our model class. As you can see, I have removed the question marks. So in this way, we can modify all the functions. Again, go to the services, book services, go to the implementation, go to definition. Now similarly, I have to write for update also. In addition for update, I have to use the field in and this is also a required field. ID is required to change the services. After creating the DTO, I have to change the services and again it book DTO. Hmm, just copy this return type. Restart application. Okay, just rebuild the solution. Book services clean, then rebuild. Book does not implement interface iBook services. Okay, definition, sorry, book, fine. Okay, required state in the opening the time to restart the application. Yes. Now build again. Okay, I have to also change here. As you can see, all error are resolved. Maybe some Visual Studio issue. Okay, DTO, DTO. Everything is working. Now test. I have to update to books to this one. Put then change by animal. As you can see, it's working, updating correctly. Now change all the remaining method to use the DTO. So I have to simply go to the here forget. I have to do this one. Stop debugging to implementation. Get book DTO. Change this one. Book this. Done. Now for list. Then books is equal to done. Then book DTO is equal to books dot select book DTO and all the then return book DTO. Now change the constructor controller also. Book DTO P and paste. Try to get it's working. Get by ID is also working. So thank you for watching this video. In this video, I have used the DTO to avoid model directly interacting with the controller. Thank you for watching this video.